Choosing the right shower head can completely transform your daily routine, whether you're looking for stronger water pressure, better filtration, or a more relaxing spa-like experience at home. With so many options available, from high-pressure models to rainfall designs and filtered shower heads, it's not always easy to know which one actually delivers comfort, durability, and real performance. That's why I tested and compared the top shower heads to see which ones truly improve water flow, feel great on the skin, and offer the best balance between quality, features, and value for money. In the third, after testing the SR Sunrise in everyday use, this model immediately stands out for its combination of pressure boost and filtration. Installation took only a few minutes without any tools, and it attached easily to a standard shower arm. Once turned on, the first thing I noticed was the water pressure. Even in a bathroom with moderate flow, the Boost technology delivers a noticeably stronger and more focused stream, which makes rinsing shampoo and soap much faster and more efficient. The filtration system is another key feature. After several days of use, I noticed that the water felt slightly softer on the skin, and there was less dryness compared to using a standard shower head. While it is not a full home filtration system, it does appear to reduce chlorine smell and provide a more comfortable shower experience, especially in hard water areas. The multiple spray modes add versatility, from a gentle rain setting for relaxation to a more concentrated massage mode for muscle relief. Switching between modes is simple and smooth, and the handheld design makes it practical for rinsing hard-to-reach areas, cleaning the shower, or even bathing pets. That said, there are a few drawbacks worth mentioning. While the pressure boost works well, the overall build is made primarily of ABS plastic, which feels solid but not as premium as full metal shower heads. The hose is flexible and convenient, but long-term durability may vary with heavy daily use. Additionally, the filtration beads will require replacement over time, which adds a small maintenance cost. Some spray modes feel more powerful than others, and users expecting a luxury spa rainfall effect may find the experience more functional than indulgent. In conclusion, after testing the SR Sunrise myself, I see it as an excellent budget-friendly option for those looking to improve water pressure and add basic filtration without replacing their entire shower system. It delivers strong performance, easy installation, and practical versatility. While it may not offer premium materials or long-term durability at the highest level, it provides impressive value and a noticeably improved shower experience for its price. Secondly, after testing the AquaCare in real daily use, this model immediately feels more powerful and more versatile than standard handheld shower heads. Installation is quick and straightforward, and the stainless steel hose gives a more solid and premium impression compared to basic plastic hoses. Once installed, the water pressure is clearly one of its strongest points. Even in homes with average water flow, the Boost technology delivers a concentrated and forceful spray that makes rinsing faster and more efficient. What really stands out during testing is the variety of spray modes. The 8 settings allow you to switch from a relaxing rainfall pattern to a focused massage spray or a strong power wash mode. The built-in power wash feature is especially impressive. By flipping the head, you can activate a high-pressure jet that works very well for cleaning soap residue, rinsing tiles, or even washing pets. It genuinely adds a practical cleaning function that goes beyond simple shower use. The anti-clog nozzles also help maintain consistent pressure, and after several weeks of testing, performance remains stable without noticeable buildup. That said, there are a few drawbacks to consider. While the pressure is strong, some users who prefer a softer, spa-like rainfall may find certain modes too intense. The body of the shower head is primarily ABS plastic with a chrome finish, which looks good but does not feel as heavy as all metal alternatives. The multiple spray modes are useful, but switching between them requires a firm click, which may feel slightly stiff at first. Additionally, While the cleaning power feature is excellent for maintenance, it can splash more than standard spray settings if not aimed carefully. In conclusion, after testing the AquaCare myself, I see it as a highly practical and performance-driven option. It delivers excellent water pressure, strong cleaning capability, and versatile spray settings that improve both shower comfort and bathroom maintenance. While it may not offer the ultra-luxurious feel of premium metal rainfall heads, it provides outstanding functionality and value, especially for users who want power, hygiene, and flexibility in one system. And to finish, first of all, after testing the Greach in everyday use, this model immediately stands out for offering both a fixed rainfall head and a detachable handheld unit in one system. Installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes without tools, as it fits standard shower connections. Once installed, the first thing I noticed was the full coverage. Using both heads at the same time creates a wide, immersive spray that feels closer to a spa-style shower compared to a single head setup. The flexibility is one of its strongest points. You can switch between the rainfall head only, the handheld only, or use both simultaneously. During testing, the rainfall head delivered a comfortable, evenly distributed flow, while the handheld provided stronger, more targeted pressure for rinsing shampoo or cleaning specific areas. The 9 spray settings add variety, from softer patterns to more powerful massage-style sprays. The 2.5 gallons per minute flow rate delivers satisfying pressure without feeling weak, even in homes with moderate water supply. The 60-inch stainless steel hose feels sturdy and allows good mobility, which is helpful for cleaning the shower or washing pets. That said, there are a few drawbacks worth mentioning. The body is primarily made of ABS plastic with a chrome finish, which looks attractive, but does not feel as premium as all metal shower systems. While pressure is strong, using both heads simultaneously can slightly reduce intensity compared to using one at a time. The design, while modern and eye-catching, may not match minimalist or ultra-luxury bathroom styles. Additionally, long-term durability may depend on usage, especially if spray settings are switched frequently. In conclusion, after testing the Greach shower head combo myself, I see it as an excellent value option for those who want versatility and full coverage without upgrading their entire shower system. It offers strong water pressure, multiple spray combinations, and easy installation. While it may not provide high-end materials or ultra-premium build quality, it delivers a satisfying and flexible shower experience at a very reasonable price point. To conclude this top 3, it really comes down to what you want to improve in your daily shower routine. The key is choosing a shower head that fits your water pressure, your bathroom setup, and your personal comfort preferences. When the right balance of pressure, coverage, and functionality comes together, even a simple upgrade like a new shower head can completely transform your everyday shower experience. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.